All of you, dear student, once again, most welcome in online lecture. I am your geography teacher, Mr. Bhausaheb Dabadi. Dear student, last month we discussed about geography chapter number 1, concept of time. Today we discuss about social studies topic number 5, geography topic number 2, helping each other. हेल्पिंग ईच अदर मीन्स मदद करना. हम लोगों ने हर किसी की मदद करनी चाहिए. लेट अस नाउ स्टार्ट. अ कम्युनिटी इज अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल who live in a certain area. People of a community help each other to fulfill each other's need. Who are the people who make our community better place? Dear student, our community, there are number of people located in the surrounding area, surrounding society, our city. So each and every people help to us. For example, doctors, teachers, firefighters, soldier, watchman, garbage collector, to mention a few are people who provide us with service that are important for our well-being. We call them community helpers. Community helpers. Every person depend for each other. So, community helpers help for every people, every person, and the build of our nation and the economically, socially, culturally strong our society and day by day culture development for our nation. Let us learn about some community helpers. Point number 1, doctors and nurses. हम हेल्पिंग ईच अदर में डॉक्टर्स और नर्स का क्या रोल है, वो कैसे हेल्पिंग करते हैं एक दूसरे को, ये देखेंगे. द डॉक्टर्स एग्जामाइन एंड ट्रीट अस व्हेन वी आर इल. इफ वी नीड स्पेशल केयर, वी आर एडमिटेड टू द हॉस्पिटल. अ हॉस्पिटल हैज़ डॉक्टर्स हु आर स्पेशलाइज इन डिफरेंट एरियाज ऑफ मेडिकल केयर. डॉक्टर्स and nurse is a very great role for the health development and overall physical development in our nation. Student, डॉक्टर और नर्स का हेल्प हमारे जीवन में कितना महत्वपूर्ण है, ये हम अभी देख सकते हैं. हम देख रहे हैं कोरोना महामारी की वजह से पूरा विश्व और हमारा भारत लड़ रहा है. तो इन बीमारियों में डॉक्टर्स और नर्स हमारे जीवन को, हमारे जीव की परवाह न करते हुए सब लोगों को ट्रीटमेंट कर रहे, सब लोगों को देख रहे. हॉस्पिटल्स एंड डॉक्टर्स, देयर आर सम स्पेशलाइजेशन. स्टूडेंट्स, फॉर एग्जांपल, सम एक्सीडेंट केसेस, पीपल hand and legs are fractured. These people admitted for the orthopedics specialization. Some people are skin burn, skin damage. These people admitted in skin specialist doctor. And some people are brain fracture, brain damage. These people admitted in neurologist specialization. Some people are heart problem. These patients admitted in cardiologist specialization. So these are the neurologist, cardiologist, orthopedics. These are the specialization, special department. Many of the villages in our country have local DSAPs that are set up by the government. They provide immediate care for the sick. Mobile DSAPs also provide doctors and medicines for people who live in remote villages. Students, our country India, there are 50% population depend in villages and remote areas. And almost 70% people depend in agriculture. So overall villages and remote areas, the government of India developed the special care hospital and mobile facility provided to the doctors and patients. So this is a very great opportunity, great development in last 10-15 years in our country. So the most facility provided in each and every country. Nurses help the doctor. It is the nurse who come and check on use the frequently when we are in hospital. Nurse is a very great role for the doctors, and immediately the checking for the patient and some important medicine provided for the patient. The ambulance take patient to the hospital when they need emergency care. Ambulance is a very great role in every rural or urban areas. So the emergency patient we call ambulance and admitted the hospital. So ambulance is a very helpful in our every person care of the people with special needs. There are some people in a community who need special care and attention. Some are differently able. For example, a person may not be able to walk, see or hear. Some may not be able to do things with their arms. The doctors and nurse also take care of the differently able people of the community. To look after the old and sick people, nurses bath and clean them, feed them and give them medicine on time. Every people, doctors and nurses, look these patients or this person very carefully. The doctors and nurses also care for the different person, different people or community person. To look after the old and sick people, जो बूढ़े लोग रहते हैं वो बूढ़े लोगों की भी डॉक्टर्स और नर्सेस केयर करते हैं. नर्सेस उनकी बात करते हैं, उनको खाना देते, फीड देते. तो ये जो सब हेल्पिंग का काम है ये डॉक्टर्स और नर्सेस हमारे पूरे कम्युनिटी में कर रहे हैं. तो देखो बच्चों, हमें इससे क्या सीख मिलती है? मॉरल ऑफ दिस हेल्पिंग ईच अदर, डॉक्टर्स एंड नर्सेस हेल्प फॉर एवरी कम्युनिटी पर्सन. जैसे डॉक्टर और नर्सेस हेल्प कर रहे हैं, लोगों को बचाने के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, हॉस्पिटल में रात दिन काम कर रहे हैं. अभी ये कोरोना वायरस की वजह से बहुत सारे पेशेंट एडमिटेड है, फिर भी डॉक्टर और नर्सेस अपना काम कर रहे हैं. मॉरल ऑफ दिस, डॉक्टर्स एंड नर्सेस हेल्पिंग ईच अदर, हेल्पिंग पर्सन. हम भी किसी की हेल्प करनी चाहिए. अंडरस्टूड एवरीवन? So today we discuss about helping each other. Point number 1, doctors and nurses. Other part, in this chapter we will discuss about next online lecture. So my dear student, take care for everyone. Stay home, stay safely. Thank you.